welcome back to my channel. Today a short video about self-printed shaper tape. You might remember a couple of months ago I posted a video about self-printed shaper tape and how to use it. And a lot of you commented on this video with different methods on how to stick the self-printed shaper tape to the workpiece. And this video is about testing two of those methods. One is a glue spray that helps you to stick the self-printed shaper tape onto the workpiece. And the second one is a removable glue stick. And so I bought those to test them out to see how they work. Let's give it a try. I spray the glue onto the wood and then stick the self-printed shaper tape onto it. That works well. And I start engraving a name into the wood. As you see, it worked well. It didn't move at all. Engraving was not a problem. Then I tried to remove that self-printed tape, and as you can see here, it's a mess. It's hard to remove, it's sticky, and I can't even remove it well by sanding. I would have to take a pretty heavy grit to remove it. So I don't like that method at all. It's way too fiddly, way too much work. In addition, when I sprayed it onto the wood, some of that glue spray also fell onto other pieces of my workbench and everything got sticky. So that method, I don't think I'll use it again. You see here how I use the second method, the glue stick. And this glue stick is a special one because it's a removable glue stick, so it's supposed to be easy to remove. It works like a charm to put it on. As you see here, I was able to engrave the name that I wanted, so no problem. And when I do remove the paper, it just removes itself very easily, so that works well. All right, that's it. There is nothing more here to tell you. I am not a fan of the adhesive spray. It's a mess. It's way too strong. It like breaks the paper, and then you have to remove it otherwise. Like it also makes a mess out of your workbench. I do like the glue stick, the removable glue stick. So if you remember in the first video, I tried a glue stick, but it was not that special glue stick that is removable. It was a normal one. And that, again, was way too aggressive on the paper and it was hard to remove. But with a removable glue stick that you guys recommended to me, that worked really well. I could just remove it. And so I think I like the method overall of just taking the entire printed paper and then just gluing it onto your workpiece, and that's it. Not starting to cut stripes and everything like that. It's way too fiddly because it's cheap, right? So you could just print it, stick it onto the workpiece, use it, and that's it. You can route over it, it's cheap, right? So if your workpiece is large enough to fit a paper like that, which usually it is, then you can just use that, and it's cheap. It's you can print it yourself, so you don't have to worry about buying it all the time. And if you like that, I'll leave some links to that removable glue stick in the description so you can buy it. If you buy through that link, I get a couple of cents. And if you like this little video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and see you around.